Your outdoor space is an extension of your home. Why not make it as stylish, functional, and inviting as your interiors? Whether you have a spacious backyard or a compact front yard, the right landscaping ideas can completely transform your outdoor living experience. In this video, we'll explore modern landscaping ideas to create a stunning, low-maintenance, and relaxing outdoor oasis. Modern landscaping design principles. Modern landscaping is all about clean lines, minimalism, and natural beauty. To achieve a contemporary look, heavy checkmarks stick to geometric shapes for patios, pathways, and plant beds. Heavy checkmark use a neutral color palette with pops of greenery. Heavy checkmark incorporate low-maintenance plants like ornamental grasses, succulents, and evergreens. Heavy checkmark combine natural materials like stone, wood, and metal for a sleek and balanced aesthetic. These simple principles create a cohesive and effortlessly stylish landscape design. Backyard transformation ideas. Your backyard is a private retreat. Here's how to make it a modern outdoor haven. Herb outdoor lounge spaces. Create a cozy seating area with weather-resistant furniture, fire pits, and pergolas for shade. Herb water features. Add a touch of luxury with a modern fountain, reflecting pool, or minimalist pond. Herb landscape lighting. Highlight pathways, trees, and outdoor features with soft LED lighting for a warm and inviting ambience. Herb low-maintenance gardens. Opt for gravel beds, raised planters, and native plants to reduce upkeep while maintaining a lush look. A well-designed backyard enhances relaxation, entertainment, and the overall beauty of your home. Front yard curb appeal ideas. Your front yard sets the first impression. Make it unforgettable with these landscaping tips. House with garden. Sleek driveway and walkways. Use pavers, stone, or concrete slabs for a stylish and functional entryway. House with garden. Symmetry and balance. Frame your entrance with matching planters, trimmed hedges, or modern gate designs. House with garden. Drought-tolerant plants. Incorporate succulents, lavender, or ornamental grasses for a beautiful yet easy-to-maintain landscape. House with garden. Statement lighting. Install path lights, uplights, or modern lanterns to enhance safety and elegance at night. A well-landscaped front yard boosts your home's curb appeal and creates a warm welcome for guests. Modern outdoor entertainment spaces. For those who love outdoor entertaining, consider these backyard must-haves. Heavy checkmark outdoor kitchen and bar. A sleek grill station, bar seating, and a mini fridge make outdoor dining effortless. Heavy checkmark fire pit lounge. A stylish fire pit surrounded by comfy seating creates a cozy atmosphere for gatherings. Heavy checkmark pergolas and shade structures. Enhance comfort with modern pergolas, shade sails, or retractable awnings. Heavy checkmark infinity pools and hot tubs. For the ultimate luxury experience, install a modern pool or spa with a seamless edge design. These outdoor upgrades take your hosting game to the next level. Final touches for a modern landscape. The finishing touches matter. Here are a few elements that complete your outdoor oasis. Heavy checkmark decorative screens and privacy fences. Stylish panels made of wood, metal, or greenery add both function and beauty. Heavy checkmark outdoor rugs and cushions. Soft furnishings add warmth and color while making your space feel like an outdoor living room. Heavy checkmark eco-friendly landscaping. Opt for rainwater harvesting, solar lights, and sustainable materials to create a greener outdoor space. Heavy checkmark smart irrigation systems. Keep your garden lush with automated watering solutions that save both time and water. These details bring comfort, style, and sustainability to your outdoor living areas. Transforming your outdoor space doesn't have to be complicated. With modern landscaping ideas, you can create a stylish and functional backyard or front yard that enhances your home's beauty and value. Which landscaping idea is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home and outdoor decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.